Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. If you're sick and tired of replacing scratched up screen protectors and you've got a taste for luxury, you might want to take a look at the Sapphire X. Made of 99.99% pure lab-grown sapphire and providing almost edge-to-edge protection, the Sapphire X is the world's most scratch-resistant screen protector. It's almost unscratchable because sapphire is one of the hardest substances around. Only diamond can scratch it. All this does come at a price because lab-grown sapphire crystal takes a long time to grow, so you're definitely paying a premium for the Sapphire X, although you can offset the high price a bit by using the 10% off affiliate coupon in the product description below. Let's get this very unusual screen protector installed on the iPhone 12 mini and check out the results. Looking at the contents of the box, which is made of lovely recyclable material, we have the screen protector itself, we have our install frame, we have 2 cleaning wipes to clean your screen with, and then we have dust removal stickers, 2 types, one to clean the screen in general, and then the other which is intended to remove any stray dust particles which might get caught underneath the screen protector. We also have the instructions for screen protector installation printed directly on the packaging in order to reduce paper waste. So to start off with, you're going to want to make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Remember, dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector installation. Remove any cases or screen protectors you might already have on your phone. Then clean your screen with either one or both of the included screen wipes, depending on how dirty it is. Then go over it with one of the included dust removal stickers in order to remove any dust from the screen. Next, take a look at your installer, figure out which is the top and which is the bottom. Fortunately, the top is marked top up here, so that makes it easy. Also, look and make sure it's not dusty. If it's dusty, remove any dust from it because you don't want to introduce any dust onto your beautiful clean screen from the installer. You can use your old wet wipe in order to clean it up just a little bit. Again, you just want to make completely sure that things are as dust-free as possible before installation. That way you can maximize your chances of success. Once you're sure that everything is clean and dust-free on both the installer and the phone, lay your installer carefully on top of the phone and press down. One helpful tip from the ShellRUs website is to take one of these dust removal positioning stickers and put it underneath the bottom corner of the screen protector before you start installation. That way, if you need to lift up the screen protector in order to remove dust that might have gotten stuck in between the screen protector and the screen during installation, it's a lot easier to do so. Next, gently peel away the plastic backing. Hold on to the screen protector by the sides. Do not touch the adhesive back of the screen protector. And carefully peel away the backing. And then take your screen protector and gently place it down within the confines of the installer, beginning at the top. Once you're about 70% of the way done, you can remove your installer. As you can see, everything is adhered perfectly and quickly except for this bottom corner where we have the dust removal sticker holding things up. Obviously we need to remove this, but before you do, you're going to want to make sure that there's no trapped dust or bits of fiber or anything like that anywhere, because if there are, then you can use this in order to make the dust removal process easier. Fortunately, I don't see any trapped dust or fiber, so it's safe to remove the dust removal sticker. Just peel up slightly, take the dust removal sticker off, and let everything go back down. So looking here at our results, just absolutely beautiful. Everything looks great, got nice rounded edges on here. This is super thin, only 0.23 millimeters thick. Goes almost to the edge, but not quite, so you do have a tiny bit of space to be able to allow this to be somewhat case compatible. I don't think this is going to work with absolutely every case out there, but I think it will work with most. Based on my experience having this on my iPhone 12 Pro, I found that it worked actually with every case that I put it with. But there's probably some out there that it doesn't work with. But looking at this, absolutely lovely. Great fit on the phone, adds just about zero thickness. I love these installers. They allow you to get a perfect alignment. They make installation so much easier. Just a really great job here by the designers at ShellRUs. So in terms of look and feel, everything is absolutely fantastic on here. We've got gorgeous optical clarity. There's no issue with your haptic touch. That is all great. Slippery, slippery, smooth material. This has a very slightly cold touch to it. Interestingly, it doesn't feel quite like glass. It's just as slippery, if not more slippery than glass, but it just has a really cool, really interesting feel to it. And there's no issue with your colors. Those are all perfect. Just a beautiful screen protector. I personally love the fact that this is a gemstone that is on my phone screen. I think that that is so cool. This is beautiful. It's going to fit with many, many cases. Perhaps not all because it is close to the edge. But as you can see, it looks just absolutely beautiful on the phone. It's going to be virtually unscratchable. I had this on my iPhone 12 Pro for over 3 months before I had to take it off in order to review another product, and I was so sad to remove it. It was extremely fingerprint resistant and looked just so beautiful on my phone. I loved that screen protector, and I think that this one is just as good. These are beautiful screen protectors. They are expensive, no question about that, and they are not indestructible. You got to keep that in mind. These are going to be fantastic against scratching, but scratching and impact are not the same thing. Diamond and sapphire are super, super scratch resistant, but they are also brittle. So in terms of impact, if you were looking for an impact resistant screen protector, you're probably going to be better off going with something like the RhinoShield 3D Impact Screen Protector. That's going to be better against impact. But if your big concern is scratching and your day-to-day use and pleasure of using your phone, then you're going to be better off with something like this, because this is just a beautiful screen protector, an absolute pleasure to use. So if that is your priority in terms of screen protection, then this is definitely something to consider. Just a lovely product from the folks at ShellRUs. Again, we've been looking at the Sapphire X screen protector for iPhone 12 mini. It's available directly from ShellRUs.com, and it has an MSRP of $65.99. This is the clear version. There is also a privacy version available for $5 more, and if you decide to buy one, you can save 10% on your purchase with the affiliate discount code TheTechReviewer. Many thanks to the kind folks at ShellRUs for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please do consider subscribing to my channel. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.